Hey, are you busy this week? Or are we going to do something fun together?
I hope so. I'm a bit busy though. On Monday, I'm visiting my grandmother, and on Tuesday, I'm working late again.
Okay, I'm meeting my cousin on Tuesday, so that day won't work for me either. I was thinking we're going to go to the cinema.
That sounds great. I really want to see that new film. When were you thinking?
Well, I'm having a yoga class on Wednesday evening, and on Thursday, I'm going to the dentist, so I won't be free then.
I may be free on Friday, but I might need to finish some work at home. I'm not completely sure yet.
I see. Friday sounds a bit uncertain. What about Saturday?
Saturday could work. I'm meeting a friend in the morning, but in the afternoon I'm free.
Perfect. We're going to watch the film in the afternoon then. There's a show at 4.
That should be fine. I might be a few minutes late if the bus is slow though.
No problem. We may wait for the next show if that happens. There's another one at 4:30.
Good idea. So we're meeting outside the cinema at 3:45?
Yes. I'm buying the tickets online tonight.
Great. I'm really happy we're finally going to do this.
Me too. Let's hope nothing else comes up.